Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make an egg sandwich with onion. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 2 large eggs, 2 slices of your favorite bread, and about 1/4 of a medium onion. Don't forget 1 tablespoon of butter, plus salt and pepper to taste. Having these items ready makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable. Now let's get cooking. Start by finely dicing about 1/4 of an onion. Melt 1 tablespoon of butter in a pan over medium heat, then add your diced onion. Sauté them for about 3 minutes until they are soft and slightly translucent. While the onions cook, whisk 2 eggs with a pinch of salt and pepper. Pour the eggs into the pan and cook them to your liking, perhaps scrambled or as a fried egg. With your eggs and onions ready, it's time to assemble your masterpiece. First, toast 2 slices of your chosen bread to a lovely golden brown. Next, carefully place your perfectly cooked egg onto 1 slice of the warm toast. Then, generously spoon the flavorful sautéed onions over the egg. Finally, crown your creation with the second slice of toast. This simple layering creates a truly satisfying bite. Your egg and onion sandwich is almost ready to enjoy. Feel free to customize it further. You could add a slice of your favorite cheese, like cheddar or provolone, for extra creaminess. A dash of hot sauce or a sprinkle of fresh chives can also elevate the flavors. Serve your warm sandwich immediately to savor its deliciousness. This quick and satisfying meal is perfect for breakfast, lunch, or a light dinner.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.